Recently, I got a brand new iPhone 17. I had an issue that whenever I was using an alarm on my phone or anybody rang me, it was far too quiet despite the volume on the side of my phone being turned up the entire way. Today, I'm showing you how to fix that, because what is happening if your alarm is too quiet or if people ringing you is too quiet despite your volume being up, it means that there is a setting that you need to change to allow your ringer to be at max capacity whenever anybody rings you or your alarm goes off. So back out and head over to the settings app. Then scroll down until you reach sound and haptics, or you can search in the search bar at the bottom for sound and haptics. Select sound and haptics, and then here you're going to see ringtone and alerts. There is a volume slider directly in the middle of the screen that you can adjust down or up. Now this will impact just how loud your ringer and your alarm is and how quiet it can be. So when I had my, for example, quiet alarm and ringer, it's because it was all the way down. Now I've turned it up. It ultimately is a lot louder, which is exactly what I wanted for alarms. And I should clarify, you have to adjust this separately. You have to adjust this separately from your volume button. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you very much.